Cars are evolving. Is your Anaheim auto repair shop stuck in the past? Imagine an AI-powered online presence that turns browsers into loyal customers overnight. Sounds sci-fi? It's real, and it's happening now. Artificial intelligence can predict your customers' needs before they even walk through your door. While your competitors are busy with old-school marketing, you could be attracting double the clients with smart algorithms that target the right people at the right time. Think about it. Your shop, booked solid day after day. Frustrated with empty appointment slots? AI solves that with precision marketing and personalized online experiences. Don't let them swipe your customers because your online presence looks like a 90s relic. This isn't just marketing, it's a digital revolution designed for auto shops in Anaheim, California. America's best shops marketing agency is your secret weapon to dominate local search and social media. Ready to turbocharge your repair shop? The future is AI-driven, but the choice is yours. Will you lead or lag behind? Drop a comment if you want to see your shop at the top.